Today let's look at a very simple, a very powerful and a cost-effective toy. What is that? Bubbles. All of us love it, isn't it? So how do we use the bubbles? What can we teach using the bubbles and what are the advantages? That's what this video is all about. So first, if you have children for whom you have just started the interventions, recently been diagnosed, bubbles would be a great way to start. It helps the children with their joint attention. What is joint attention? Both you and your child are paying attention to the same task. Bubbles would be a great way to do that. So just blow it and they will definitely look at you. And I don't believe a lot in eye contact. I don't work on eye contact. But having said that, I would love for the children to look at my face, visually reference me when I am teaching them or talking to them. This would be a great tool for them to start visually referencing you. So when you keep it close to your mouth, wait for them to look at you and then you blow. So when you do that, they will kind of start looking at your face, pausing and waiting for you to do the task. What are the other things that you can do? Hold it to your mouth and just say ready, steady, go. So that way, so when you do that, you keep saying ready, steady, ready, steady, ready, steady. What happens is the kids start maybe saying go, or they will start saying 1, 2, 3, whatever are the words that you use repetitively with that. But make sure you enjoy the game with them, laugh, bring the joy in your voice. That is when they will be more participative. You can target so many other words also with bubbles. What you can target? Pop, big, small, there it goes. So many words that you can think. So if it goes and lands on something, say, oh, the bubble is on the balloon, or the bubble is on the chair, bubble is on the hand. So keep targeting words like that. Another great thing that bubbles can teach our children is turn taking. They can wait for their turn. So you blow once, I will blow once. So you blow the bubbles and then again you dip it and say, now your turn. So when we do that, they will start looking back and forth, back and forth. So that again is a great premise starts for learning. So they start looking towards you and start picking up from you, copying you. So those are the things that they learn from this. Another great advantage of the bubbles for children who are already speaking. For some of them, we find that their voice becomes a little soft as they start talking, or in the middle of a short sentence, they go like that. Or, kind of you feel their voice is squeaky, they're soft, they're not loud enough, not powerful enough. Bubbles would be a great way to improve their breath control, to improve the abdominal strength. So how we work on that? We tell them blow long streams of bubbles. So you go, how long can you blow? So for that you have to make sure you get a good quality bubble, maker, because only it's very soapy, you will get long streams of bubbles or bigger bubbles. Another great thing that the bubbles do is work on the oral muscles. So if you find that your child is holding your mouth like that and trying to not blow properly, you can use a small straw to teach them lip rounding. So how you do this is, so they blow through the straw onto the bubble maker. So when they do that, it will give them good lip rounding. They may not like us to hold your hand like that, but you can use a straw and through that they blow. So that again would be a great task. It also helps to improve, teaching them sounds like ka and ga, because they have to keep their tongue, the front of the tongue low and the back of the tongue, they have to keep it slightly up. So for children who put their tongue out when they are talking like that, you can use a lot of bubbles. It will help them keep their tongue within the mouth when they are speaking. Try it out and definitely do let me know in the comments. It will be encouraging for me to hear from you. And if you need help with any skill, please definitely let me know. If I can think of activities, I will post the videos.